Hello YouTube, my name is Amul and you are watching TubeMint. In this quick video I'm going to install Python 3.12.1 on Windows 10. This instruction is for Windows 8 and above. So let's get started. Go ahead and launch your preferred browser. Go to python.org. Put your cursor on this download button and then click Windows. You can also click this button here and then choose 64-bit. In most cases today's systems are 64-bit. If somehow your system is 32-bit, go ahead and click this one. What I would suggest you should do, these are embeddable packages, so you should go for the installers. Okay, so go ahead and click on 64-bit. This is for ARM64, which is basically for mobile devices, or maybe it is for Chrome OS. So once it is installed, locate your download. You can right click and open or simply click on it. This should launch the installer. Okay, so here we have installer. You can simply check these two boxes. Okay, if you would like to customize, you can click on customize, but this also lets you know that you are installing pip, td, tk and idle, file launcher and documentation. Documentation takes space on your system, so you can uncheck it. Okay, once you're happy with those customization, you can simply click install here, or you can go to this customization and click next. Make sure you uncheck this documentation if you want to save space on your system. Okay, install Python 3 for all users, associate files, Python file for file launcher, create shortcut on install applications, create Python to add Python to variables, environment variables. This is absolutely okay. As soon as you click this, this is going to be installed on the C drive. Then click install. Say yes. This is going to initialize and install in no time, because we are not going to save the documentation on your system, and depending on your system time and certain laptops, it takes no time. This is a custom built desktop, so this may take a bit longer. And here you can see executables are being installed. Thank you for your patience. You can see the setup was successful. Now I'll go ahead and close it, and then I will launch my PowerShell. I would suggest go ahead and launch your PowerShell or command prompt, and now you can check file launcher or Python uppercase V. You also have pip installed, which is great, and pip takes a bit longer. Now you can see pip list, and this is going to list all the installed packages. So we only have pip, and if you want to upgrade your pip, you can simply copy it and run it like that, and this is going to install the latest version of pip on your system. And it is taking a bit longer on my system for some reasons. Obtaining dependency information to a file. Okay, so done. Now you can clear the screen. I prefer using PowerShell because it lets you run new bash commands as well, like clear and ls. I'll go to desktop, and you can see I can simply say no and and I'm going to launch my notepad, paste some Python code here. You can see I can test on Python code. You can see, let me quickly clarify this. So these are 3 lines that I've taken from Python website. Now you can say hello.py and you can save it. So it's been saved on my desktop. You can see by typing ls, and you can see here we have hello.py. You can see py, hello, and here we go. What's your name? And it says hi Tubeman. So this is how you can download, install Python on your Windows and make sure it's executable. You can also go ahead and check idle, and idle is also installed here. So go ahead and launch it and it should be all right. Now you can simply say print and it works. You can simply say exit and this is going to exit. You can exit here as well. So this is how you can install Python on your system. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment box.